Hello, everyone. It is the evening of Monday, April 6th, and so hopefully many of you have had a chance to get online and see what's going on. I just wanted to go over what was expected today and maybe even for tomorrow, or for Tuesday. As you can see, this is our course page, grade 9 academic and grade 9 applied. I've merged all of my students into one place so that we can have access in the same spot. This morning I posted this link and I said, if you could please download the Teams app, that'd be great. And then I said, please begin with the back to class Desmos activity and then check the content for new opportunities. So I'm going to go to the content. Content is up here, the little book at the top. And for April the 6th to 10th, I have the back to class Desmo activity. There's gizmos activities and April 6th to 10th checklist. So the checklist is to help keep you organized. I want to talk about the gizmos for a second because it is attached to the hub. And so it's integrated with it. So you can see it's now coming up. If yours doesn't come up like this, then it's possible that you might need to enroll. And if you enroll, it should autofill all of the spaces for you. So there are 3 little activities here. If you start at the top, you can click launch, and then that will launch the activity and you can try it. So if we go like this, so it's x plus 3 equals 7. So you can see we have 7 ones on the right and 3 ones on the left and an x. But we know by guessing that x must be 4. It must be equal to 4 ones. But we can actually select tiles and we can take this off. If we take it off, you'll notice that one comes off the other side as well. And you can take tiles off because you want to figure out what x is. You want to figure out what that last unknown variable is, x. So get rid of all the ones around it. So I took 3 off. There was 3 there. I took 3 off. And when I did, it automatically did it on the right side for me. And we found out that x equals 4. So I'd like you to try a few of those because then you're over here with new. It gives you an opportunity to review some equations that we did a little bit before, but not a lot. You can always return to your course homepage or your content page to get back to where you need to be. So if we go to the content now, the other activity I was hoping you would do, so maybe we'll make this Monday and Tuesday activity. So our back to class Desmos activity. Please, please, please sign in with your Google account. It is really important because then your information will still be there and I'll be able to give you feedback. So my Google account's already attached, so I'm going to say go. Hopefully yours is too. Sign in with Google, it's important. When you get into the activity, you'll notice just a welcome screen. And then here, how are you feeling today? You can drag this left or right. As you get further to the left, it goes red because you're not feeling well or angry, or over here because you're happy. And if you want to share some information about how things are going for you, let me know. That'd be great. So again, you can draw on this screen and answer these questions, and then tell me which one do you think was most challenging for you and maybe why. This just explains what kind of strands we need to be working at. And right now this week, we're just going to look at the number sense and algebra strand, keep it sort of simple, doing some equations this week. So continue working through that. And then to get back to your hub, it'll be on your other tab. You can go now to your checklist. Let's go back to April 6th to 10th and go to your checklist. And when you click on your checklist, it's going to say things that you need to get done. So maybe now you've done your gizmos explorations. Oh, your checklist is going to look different than mine. Let me see if I can make this look like a student. Okay, so I'm going back to my home page. On the content, I'll try to post an announcement every single day just to keep in touch with you. Now I'm going to go back to the checklist because I want to look at what it looks like as a student from your perspective. I don't want you to get confused. So you can see there's just some things to check off. Did you do the gizmos things? You can check it off. Did you do the Desmos back to school activity? Sure. So you can check off your 2 items on your checklist. And I'll be adding to that same checklist as we go through the week. Good luck. And if you have any questions, please, you can email me here, or you can email me on just on Outlook. And when we get team sites going up, you can contact me there. Thank you. Good luck. See you soon.